everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I would be showing you how to make carrot oil. I've gotten my carrot. This is the jar in which I'm going to use to preserve my carrot. So let's begin. So these are my carrots. So I have to scrape out some of the layers on the body. Yes. So I'm scraping out some of the layers. That is, so I'm going to wash it off. So the next thing I'm going to do is to grate it. I'm grating it to grate this to get a tiny particle of the carrots. So I'm done grating it. So I would have to sun dry it for you have to sun dry it for 1 or 2 days. So I'm going to sun dry it. So I'm going to dry it for 1 or 2 days. Then so I've sun dried my carrots. So I have to wait for throughout today, depending on how strong the sun is. Sun is very strong, so I will have to start the process today. But if it is not, so I have to wait till tomorrow to start the process. So here is my carrot is dried already. So I have to put everything inside this jar. So here with me is my coconut oil. So I'm using coconut oil for it. So I'm going to add my coconut oil. So make sure you fill it up to the quantity of carrot that is there. Fill it so it will cover the carrot. So this is it. So that is it. I have to cover it and let it rest in a warm place for 1 week or 2 weeks. So I'll let it rest and to get my results. Day 2. The color is beginning to change. Hello guys, so this is 1 week I've kept these carrots inside this jar, so I'm going to be bringing it out. So I'm going to sieve it. Good. So this is how it looks. My carrot oil is ready. So I'll be hiding vitamin E. I'll be adding vitamin E to preserve it. So this is it. So look at how shiny, how my skin is glowing. So I've used the carrot oil on my skin, and my skin is already glowing already. So please don't forget to subscribe and comment on my videos. So turn on to know when I post new videos. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.